The homepage of our course templates has a spot where you can link out to a class Google folder. Generally speaking, this class folder contains the MCAT syllabus, student work samples, templates, project briefs, tutorials and demos, etc. Essentially, any class resource you're sharing with your students would live in your class Google folder. But Canvas's integration with Google doesn't necessarily end there. For instructors wanting to make quick, on-the-go updates to their course materials, Google often provides an efficient alternative to creating and sharing course content. Let's look at a few examples. Let's start with the weekly class plan Google Doc. This is great for instructors hosting live class meetings or those who bring in a significant number of guest speakers and contributors to their courses. Notice in this example how the instructor shares the class plan in an announcement. Clicking on this link takes you to that specific bookmark in the class plan Google Doc, where you see an overview of the class, a tentative agenda, what you need to do to prepare, and your next steps after the class meeting. The great thing about Google is you can share this class plan document with any guest contributors, so they have a way to share resources with your class ahead of time. Another example is the weekly lesson or tutorial designed as a living Google Doc. In this example, students are redirected to the weekly tutorial, where they'll find videos, demos, and supplemental resources for the upcoming week of study. Having this live in Google means that the instructor can make last-minute, on-the-go tweaks to the content in response to student feedback and interest. Google's version history makes it easy to quickly access earlier iterations of the document. We've helped a lot of faculty streamline course delivery using Google. If you're interested in learning more or brainstorming ideas, send an email to online@mcad.edu.